You can play with your sock? You got a sock? You got a sock? Welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. So this morning we started off by playing with Dayton, making some coffee, which is now cold. I'm actually going to go make some hot chocolate after this. So I got the email from Amazon saying that my fence was not going to be delivered for the tree. So there is no Amazon order coming, and it's been like a week of just nightmares and just with this one Amazon seller. So I'm probably going to go to like a pet shop or something and see if I can not find a kind of a fence, because he was chewing at the tree this morning. I just got back from the store. I went to get some more ornaments and then find something for this area, and I didn't end up finding anything for that area back over there, but I did find some really beautiful glass ornaments that I want to show you guys quickly. Unfortunately, one of them did break, or I picked up a damaged one or something, so I have to go back later. So I will be bringing you back meat later tonight. I'm probably going to end up picking up some more ornaments, but I just want to show you some of the ornaments that I got. Like, so they are glass, so hopefully I don't break any of them, but they were 40% off, so it was a great sale. So this is from Michael's. So first up, I got this cute little Christmas cone with some sparkles and some frosting, which isn't really like me, but I wanted something a little bit more colorful. So I picked up this. This wasn't all glass. I absolutely love that. I think it's so beautiful. And then kind of playing off the dessert theme, I got this little mermaid kind of frappuccino with the little, oh, hang on, with the little tiny ears and the little unicorn. And then it's got, I think there's like donuts. And then you got like the milkshake, and I think it is so pretty. I want to go back and see if they have it in a different color. Really inexpensive, like maybe $6-7 for each of them, because they were 40% off. The next two I got are really like these beautiful, like antique-y looking, kind of like more my style, like antique-y rustic kind of looking ornaments. So I got 2 of these. So it's got little pearls on the inside, and then like the wings or the feathers almost look like bird's feathers, and I thought that would fit in nicely with the bird themed tree that I got going on, because I do love birds and I love feathers and I love owls. So I thought that was really pretty. And then I also got a whole bunch of glass balls, and we're going to do a DIY later on my channel with that as well. But I just thought this was so pretty. So I picked up 2 of these, and I'm actually kind of looking for a mirror that has this like almost like that gold antique look to it. And maybe I can stick it there, but I don't know if it's going to reflect and just be distracting. So maybe I'll get like another little sign or 2 little stars. But I kind of want to go with something that's a little more antique, a little more rustic looking. I may have to go antique shopping for that. But these are just so beautiful. And they are glass, like you can see through them. But the glass is like painted on, and it's just really beautiful. So we're going to do that later tonight. Go back to that store and replace the one that broke. I'm going to pick up a couple more pieces. Today does not seem to be my day. Things are breaking. But I also wanted to unbox with you some makeup. So every year there's a brand, it's a Canadian brand, and it is by a Canadian makeup artist, Lise Wache. She sold the brand to another brand called Marcel, and I think they bought it 2 or 3 years ago. And anyways, Lise Wache, every year they come out with a different holiday collection, and I've been a big collector of collecting it ever since I was like maybe 16. So this year they actually had like packaged some of the collection into little gift sets that you could buy, and I thought that was a really nice idea. So I will link this one below. This is the Coffret Collection Diamond Dreams. So in this set you are getting the highlighter pack, you're gonna get this like lip oil, and then you get the eyeshadow palette. They have a whole bunch of other like glitter roll-on eyeshadows, and I think they have some lipstick colors too, but I really wasn't interested in those because I have so many. So let's go ahead and we're going to unbox this guy. Now you can get this from Sephora. I don't know if you can get this in the American Sephora, but you can also get it on the website, and you can also get it from Strawberry Throat Mart. So I thought it was a lip oil, but apparently it's just a beautiful like clear lip gloss with pink and then sparkles, and then you have the highlighting palette and the makeup palette. That's really pretty. The outer is like rose gold, and then you have this beautiful like 3D diamond reflective surface. Oh, that's really beautiful. So that I'll do a close-up in just a second. And that is the eyeshadow palette from the Business.parkerkate 2020 holiday collection. I love this bottom row of the purples, and I really want to try that really cool middle color, that silver one. So this is the Diamond Dreams illuminating palette. So same thing, same size as the eyeshadow palette. And then it comes with these highlighters, and I will swatch those as well. Those are really beautiful. Yeah, that one looks a little bit matte, and these three look like highlighters. I don't know, I just think the packaging is just so beautiful. It honestly does look like a diamond, and it's not flat. Like, it does have ridges, so it actually catches the light really beautifully. Okay, and then you have, oh cool, I did not see that. And then the top of the lip gloss has that same diamond finish. That is so cool. So it's like this clear lip gloss with little sparkles in it. It's supposed to be a hydrating, non-sticky lip gloss. I will try that later. My hot chocolate with giant marshmallows has arrived. So okay, so it's about 2:30 in the afternoon. I am going to, no, it's probably later than that. My phone died. It's probably more like 3:30. I'm gonna go start the dinner, and then after dinner I'm going to be taking you guys with me along back to the store to get the replacement item that broke, and then to pick up a couple more ornaments. Okay, so dinner's done. It's pretty dark outside, and now we're just on our way going back to Michael's to return the broken ornament and then maybe pick up some more stuff. So let's go. Okay, so I'm back from the store. It's late. And I kind of maybe got a couple more ornaments that I shouldn't have. So I'm going to show you guys really quickly. Some of these are going to be like gifts. Okay, so I'm not going to show that one. That one is a gift. I got this really beautiful little cupcake. Oh my god, it's like so cute and like pink. You can see like behind me there are some of the other gifts back here. Okay, and then I was so in love with like that milkshake one. They had like this pink sparkly one with like little tiny jewels and sparkles, and I just thought, yep, I need that one too, so I grabbed that. And these are all glass, so they are breakable, so I'm trying to be really careful with them. And then because I just love the unicorn one so much, I got another one just in case. Like, I just love the colors in this, and I just think it is so cute. Okay, and then for my dad, like a little stocking stuffer. Like this little fighter jet, and he loves planes and like fighter jets and stuff. So this one's like a little glass fighter jet. It's green. Hang on, let me see if I can. So I just thought that was so cool. So that is one of the gifts, like a stocking stuffer. We always get each other like ornaments and stuff, like meaningful ornaments for like the tree. So that'll be like a stocking stuffer, and then I'm gonna go and get him. I always get him like a traditional one with like a family one, even ones they have, and then you can put your names on them. Okay, and then this one is for my brother. He's like a big gamer, and they had like a Pac-Man little arcade game, so I thought that was really cute. So that's gonna be like stocking stuffer again. It's all glass. They had cake pops. Like, look at how cute that is. First I thought it was like a baby rattle, and then I realized it was like a cake pop. So I got that one. That was like $3. So it was, oh, okay. And the last one isn't, I didn't buy this one. Like, I bought it earlier for my sister. She loves keys. This is the one that broke. So we went ahead and we got another one. It's kind of like steampunky, kind of like antique-y. She kind of likes that whole vibe. So I just thought that was so pretty on the back. So I'm just going to wrap these up, guys, and put them away. And then I'm going to kind of settle down for the night. And I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 3. I hope you enjoyed Day 2. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.